ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।
Now I am going to invite on podium Mr. Majid, and I request to Mr. Majid, please come on podium and tell us about the topic. So guys, welcome him with a big round of applause.
Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to thank my teacher who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you all. I am Muhammad Majid, and I am in graduation. I came from Bikampur, Kuchara. I am learning English speaking from Global. Now I have come here to speak a speech in front of you, and I am going to deliver my speech. How can we get success? How can we get success? Nowadays everyone want to get success, but no one want to know how should we prepare, how should we try to know how should we get success. That everyone want to get success, but no one want to try. That one day one person went to Abraham Lincoln, that he asked to Abraham Lincoln, if I give you 6 hours to cut a tree, then what will you do? Abraham Lincoln says that I will prepare my weapon for 4 hours, and after in 2 hours I will cut the tree. That's the main reason is that if you want to get success, then firstly you have to practice. Without practice you can't do that. If you want to get success, then you should have to create daily routine. If you have no routine, then you can't do that. If you are reading, and if you are want to get success, then if sometimes you get failed, then you have to think that which things happened, what I didn't prepare, that's which point I failed. I should try to next time. I should think that which topic I get by which topic I failed. I should think that what I didn't prepare. That we have to think that every failure gets success. No one gets success in first time. Everyone gets failed. After that they get success. And Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam also said that the confidence is the best medicine to kill the disease called success and failure. It will make you a success person. And if you want to get success, then which things you are learning, that you are preparing for any exam and anything, then firstly you have to, and you are acquiring knowledge, then you should spend your knowledge. If you don't spend your knowledge, there is no mean of your knowledge. There is no mean of your knowledge unless you put it into practice. If you are not practicing and if you are not spending your knowledge, then your knowledge will destroy. Your knowledge, there is no mean of your knowledge unless you put it into the practice. That means you are acquiring knowledge, then you should try to provide and spread your knowledge. And if you want to get success, then you have to create an aim, and you should continuously acquire knowledge, and always you should try to think positive. If you think negative, then you can't succeed in your life. And if you are giving an exam and you get failed, then you do not think that I am not success. The exam, the result will not decide your success. The knowledge, the education will success your future life. Then you have to think that how can I get success? How can I earn money? Everyone want to earn money by knowledge. So, in the last, I want to say that everyone try to think positive, and by positive thinking you can change your life, and your life will change by thinking. That's all. If I have done any mistake, so let of me.
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में। हमारे ब्रांच है सर्वोदय इंटर कॉलेज के सामने, मछवारा मोड़, घोसी, जिला मोड़। हमारे हमारी दूसरी ब्रांच है मधुबन रोड पुराने नवजीवन हॉस्पिटल के बगल में घोसी जिला मऊ। हमारी तीसरी ब्रांच है HDFC बैंक के बगल में निकट थाना कोपागंज मऊ।